Hey, how are you, Russ? Good morning. We're going to do a walk around on the video here and then fire up the machine, check out some spindle speeds and give it our best amateur shot that we can. So let's do a walk around, Dean. All the attachments are down here. Just get all of this. You get some of the steady rests here. T-bar goes here for micro switch. They got a safety switch on there. Attachments up through the cross slide. Digital readout with the Toyo. This one works. As long as we're on it, I can show you. Get one of that. Yeah, that's no problem. Cross slide only, Russ. We don't have one for the Z, just for the Y, or the cross slide would be X in this case. But that works well. Another tray down here. Another steady rest. Collet chucks, hand chucks, some apparatus for that, although we've got the 3-jaw chuck on there. Tailstock coming around through here. Documentation, got a manual for it. Backsplash guards. Coolant system. Of course, taper attachment, you already know that. So down through the coolant tank, pump, leveling pads inside. Come on over here and get the electrical panel. And here's the panel. Everything seems to work well insofar as the servo shift is concerned, and you'll find out in a second here. We'll run it. It's running on 480 volts. Here's the main start circuit. That brings on the relay, the light, and inhibits the motor. Coming around here through the spindle bore maybe, if I just want to get a shot through here, and of course down here. Just was that about a 2-inch bore, give or take? Inch and a half. Threading, high, low, gearing. It's all good. And we'll fire it up. Another safety stop switch they put in there. So they added 2 to LeBlond on this one. This isn't LeBlond. Safety stop switch here. Safety stop for the T-bar. And put this back in. Put her in stop, neutral, and I don't know, we're at 219. We're good to go right there. We'll move around a little bit on the servo shift. Let me come on this side here, Dean. You can kind of get it on an angle. That's 219. Now do the servo shift. We'll go up 1. 310. Come down here, neutral, and stop. When it finally stops, it'll shift. The oscillation, back to neutral, we should be on 310. If you know the machine already, you know what I'm talking about. If not, that's the way that works. It has a 0 stop switch built into the circuit. When the spindle comes to a dead stop, it'll oscillate and let it change gears. We're going to run at 310 and work our way up the dial here a little bit. 424. It's on stop. Brake works good. Oscillation works good. Does what it's supposed to do. I'm going to jump up to 821. Should be good. Then we'll jump to 1600, then we'll come back down and play with the carriage. We don't have it there. Let me jump up to 1160. Maybe we missed it. There's 1160. Let's try 821 again. Back to 424. We'll play over here now. Do some reverse. That should be good there. 424. These have the pull-out handle for threading. There's feed only, or in this case, we'll leave threading in. There's threading. Longitudinal, reverse feed, and cross slide. Again, reverse cross slide. Back to longitudinal, and then we'll hit threading. Ready? We'll go the other way and hit feed reverse down here. There we go. It should come this way with the feed. That's threading there. So that works well. We should have the interlock working here too. Let's see. Yeah, interlock works. You can't use this if you're threading. It all looks pretty good there. We got the tool holder, of course, up here, compound side. It's all pretty good. You got the digital readout, of course, you got that already. Moving down over here. Shut up the spindle ones. 3-jaw chuck. That's the only chuck on there's a 3-jaw. Tailstock, let me get over here. It's pretty straightforward here. All feels good. Quill looks good, looks okay. Lock works pretty good. No problem there. We're open, so this is all good. And that's about it. If you want to get a pan of the ways, work your way up the ways here, all the way up to the chuck, and maybe naturally they're all like brand new back here. Slightly, what's right? We sent him some pictures on this before, I think. Pete took some pictures of these, but anyhow, you can get a very little there, almost nothing. It's pretty clean. And then a pull back with the whole machine, maybe. That can be about it. Yeah. And the stop switch, of course, safety. There it is. That's about it, Russ. Coolant system, yeah, we got everything.